Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri on your headphones SOUNDCORE P3. You have to start by open the application. Now go to Controls. And now you should choose left one or right one earbud for using it, and double press or press and hold. I prefer press and hold, but you can also make it for the double tap. Now I choose left one and now click voice assistant. And now if I press and hold on my left earbud, I will call Siri. And as you can see, it worked. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.